A ratio is a relationship between quantities. You can use ratios to compare one part to another part, or to compare a part to the whole. There are three different types of ratios. There is a part-to-part comparison, a part-to-whole comparison, or a whole-to-part comparison. Ratios can be written in three different ways: colon form, A colon B, fraction form, A over B, or word form, A to B. Notice the example in the bottom has 2 pencils and 3 sons. Write the ratio of sons to pencils in word form. There are 3 sons, 2 pencils, so 3, 2, 2. Notice word form just means that you're using the word to. The numbers are still written in numerical form. Write the ratio of pencils to total objects in colon form. That means we have 2 pencils to 5 total objects, so 2 colon 5. Write the ratio of pencils to sons in fraction form. 2 pencils written over with the fractional slash, 3 sons.